In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a survey to your WordPress website quickly and easily. The first thing that we need to do is open up Elfsight. This is the tool that we will be using to build the widget, and I've linked it in the description below. Go ahead and click on that link and it will take you straight over to this page. This link also ensures that everything connects properly when we embed it. From here, just enter your email into this box to sign up for free, and then on this next page, create your password. Just like that, we are signed up and ready to go. So from here, we now have access to all of the widgets that are available on Elfsight, but specifically, we are looking to add a survey. So to do this, we want to come up to search widgets in this top right corner, and we want to look for form builder. So just type form up here, and then we want to click into the form builder widget. Once this opens up, when we have the option to choose a template, the template that we want to choose is the survey template right here. We can then go ahead and click on continue with this template. And in here, we can now go ahead and build out this form. So from here, the template comes with two pages. We have share your opinion, which is this page right here, and then a personal information page, which is once somebody has filled this in, they can go through and provide some personal information. So it's up to you how you want to play this. You can either stick with these two pages and we can go in and edit. We can add another page and we can build that out, or we can go through and delete one of these pages. Either way, with these pages, we can click in and we can edit these to change exactly what they are. So right here, we can see with these fields, we have how would you rate your experience with us? This is the top option right here. We can click in and we can change this to say what we would like it to say. Using this table at the top, we choose how many options they have, so 3 or 5 stars, whether this is a required field, and we can go through and build all of these out, or we can click in and delete them. We can also go down and add in other fields. So we have like star scales, thumb scales, a drop down menu, paragraph if you want them to write some text. We have a date field if you want them to enter a date. But these are how we can build out all of these different pages. From here, we can then go down to the email settings and notify me right here. This is the email address that you are going to receive alerts to when somebody fills out this form. By default, this is going to be the email that you signed up to Elfsight with. So you can click into this and you can change this if you would like to change this. You can choose if you are even emailed at all. And then down here, I wouldn't recommend changing this, but you can change the email that you are sent. We can then go down to the layout and we can play around with the layout, choose how you want this to look. The form layout right here, we can go ahead and change as well. But I like this multi-step. I think it looks fantastic. We can, of course, go ahead and change the appearance. So if we want to change the accent color, if we want to change the background color or any of these other options, we can do this in here as well. So once you have played around with this, once you have customized this and your survey now looks how you would like it to look, all we have to do from here is click on publish in this top right corner. And then Elfsight is going to take us over to this page where we can choose the plan that we would like to use. Now, the plan that you choose depends on how many monthly views you get to your website. We can see 5,000, 50,000, 150,000. And then we have higher if we need. And of course, Elfsight also has this free plan for if you have a smaller website or if you just want to test Elfsight out. So once you have chosen your plan, Elfsight will then take you over to this screen where it gives us a piece of code. And this is how we embed the survey onto your WordPress website. So all we need to do is click on copy code right here. Then we want to go over to WordPress. In WordPress, you just want to open up the page that you want to add this survey to. And then we can scroll down to exactly where we want to add this survey. I'm going to add mine right here. So once we have found where we would like to add the survey, we just want to click on this plus icon at the top. In this search bar, we want to search for HTML, and then we want to drag in this custom HTML element. So we can just drop and drag this in right there. And then we just click into this and paste the code that we just copied. Once that is done, we now have this all set up. So when we actually view the website, so I can go to preview website right here and we can scroll down. And just like this, the survey is now added to the WordPress website.